When making changes to different responsive views, for example, you may change the size of a heading on a mobile device, it's often a little bit frustrating when you go to the next display and you can't see the previous value to know what was the one that you had chosen. Breakdance has a feature that's still in testing mode, but I recommend you switch it on. Let's have a look at this. Hi, I'm JB. This is Websites for Beginners, and welcome to our video document series on Learn Breakdance for WordPress. Apart from the series, you can also learn more from our complete courses for Breakdance, taking you from a beginner to a master of multi-page sites, blogging, and WooCommerce. Link in the description. Before we switch it on, let's talk about what I'm talking about. I'll select a heading and I'm going to make it very big. Currently, the font, let's put it on 96. Pretty big. Let's go even bigger and we put it like on 120. The reason I'm doing that is to show you what happens when we go to tablet landscape. Oh, okay, this is now too big maybe for my tablet landscape. I can go now to font size and I make a change here and I put it on 100. Good. Now I jump down to tablet portrait and it breaks into 2 lines. Note on the left though, font size, there is no indicator as to what is the current value. That value, if I select and go back to the landscape, is only set to where I made the change. But once I go down to the next display, it doesn't show me that 100. And if you had worked on it long ago and you come back, you're like, what is the value here? And you may go ahead and type in something like 100 and then, okay, figuring out, let's go for something more reasonable like 72. Same thing is going to happen now when you go to phone landscape, is you will not know what is that value. Now you understand the problem. Trust me, I hate this. I run into it all the time. Let's go back to the desktop view and first go and look at that setting and then see how it behaves. To the top, go to Settings, Preferences, scroll down, Experimental, show previous breakpoint value as placeholder and switch it on. It's been experimental for a while. I think they can make it permanent. I love it. Close it. Now, we know that we've added the value for our tablet landscape at 100 and our tablet portrait at 72. Now, when we go to phone landscape, 72 appears here. It's grayed out as well as the slider has moved all the way to the left. A great indicator of where I was at the previous display. Now, I'll select it, type in 36. Makes it much easier to understand what I'm working with. Select phone portrait, and you'll see the 36 again is grayed out, slider moves to the left. This is a feature that should be there by default, and I wish that even these other settings that come in by default with values as well could show us what the default values are. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.